Are you facing incoming calls busy or user busy issues in iPhone? Well, look no further. Here is how you can easily find this incoming call busy problem on iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off Do Not Disturb mode. You can swipe down from the top left corner. After that, tap Focus. Now turn off Do Not Disturb mode from here. Solution 2. Turn off call forwarding. Open Setting, scroll down, tap App, scroll down, tap Phone app, scroll down, tap Call forwarding. Make sure to turn it off. Also find out call waiting. Make sure to turn it off as well. After that, try to restart your iPhone to solve your issues. Now, if you still have issues, then try to follow the last process. Solution 3. Update or reset. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Software Update. If there is new software update, then update it. But if there is no new software update, then go back, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset iPhone, tap Reset All. Doing this will delete your Wi-Fi password and will get your setting back to default, and your problem is going to be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.